Hi guys, we are already here in Shenzhen Safari Park. That's beautiful place in Shenzhen, China. Napakaganda talagang lugar guys. Yun po ang second destination namin.
How is the food?
Good.
Yes, because you know when you come to Qingyuan, what is the most famous thing? Chicken.
Chicken.
You eat the Qingyuan gai, Chicken, Qingyuan chicken is the most. I mean, it's even when you do some grocery shopping.
And guys, yung aming first destination ay restaurant, Shenzhen restaurant. So, tinatanong niya kami guys kung kumusta po yung food namin. So, of course, masarap at maraming talaga pagkain na hinanda sa amin.
It's a free range chicken. And also, they use the good quality grapes to feed them. And then ask them to they are free range, so they have a nice environment. Maybe they give them listen the music. Chicken, Qingyuan chicken, and then it's one of the specialty in here. And then many Hong Kong people, the tourists, come from Hong Kong. Once they come here, many of them they drive. They have a road trip, and then they come here especially just for the chicken. They go to the countryside. They go to find the very special hiding inside the countryside to buy the chicken. They take money. They bring it back to Hong Kong for pasalubong. Yeah, because Qingyuan gai very famous here. And then this place, we say Qingyuan is a medium-sized city in Guangdong, Canton Province, and only 3 million population here. 3 million. And then compared to Shenzhen, Shenzhen is 18 million. And then this is a smaller cities. But this city is famous for the beautiful landscape. So it's the one we are going now, because Qingyuan, 70% is covered by mountains. And then it's beautiful, the waterfalls, and then many small streams, and then also underground rivers, and also beautiful. They also have the minorities. It's called Yao minorities live here 1,000 years in the mountainside. The minorities, ethnic people, they live in the village in the mountainside. And then, but here is the city. And then Qingyuan, another famous thing is the hot spring. Hot spring. There are many Malami resort here. Because I come with my families here before. They have a ferry wheels here, the big one. And then we ride the ferry wheels, and then we go to the hot spring resort here. Because Malami here have many hot springs. It's the natural one. And then it's a kind of leisure activities for the people, especially not for now, because now it's Ma'init. Most of them go in winter, especially Chinese New Year's Malami people. And the people go to enjoy the hot spring. And then good for the skin, because some of them have the healing function. Good for the skin. So many people go to enjoy the hot spring here. And then now we go to another famous place. It's the Qingyuan, the river drifting. But because they have 2 parts. So today, I want to mention to you, this place is quite big, very big. And then please go together firstly. Firstly, let's go together. And then when the bus stops, please, we need to do some picture taking. Yeah, because maybe some of you already know, but this is a local practice here. This is a requirement from the visa office. Because we enter Shenzhen, use the visa, group visa, and then they require us to upload everyone's photos to them. So that's why later, we have a colleague. So there is a camera boy. He's going to help us to take photos for solo by solo. And then picture taking one by one, or couple by couple. And after that, we will help you to take a group photo, for group photos. And then because this is a requirement, we have to upload everyone's photo. So maybe some of you have been to China before. It doesn't matter because today is today's photo. We need to send them, and it's a different location because we need to show them before you come. We apply for this kind of tours, and we need to go according to the schedules. So because we go there, so we need to show them the proof we have been that place. It's Qingyuan. So different place, different places. So that's why we will take these photos for them. Make sure, because save time. We don't want to waste time to asking one by one. Because some people forgot to take the photos, and then wasting time, and then asking everyone, did you take photo? Did you take photo? And then at last wasting the time for the other group members. So just when we go down, just go down, bila, save time. Quick, be quick. Just take the photo, bila, one by one, and then quick, finish the solo pictures. Just automatically to go to take pictures. Don't waste time, don't waste time. And then after that, don't go too far because we will have a group photos. After the group photos, because I will arrange the ticket for you, please go together, because this place is quite big. We need a shuttle bus to go up to the mountains. The beautiful place, the beautiful sceneries, the glass bridge, the God's hand is up the mountains. So we need to go up the mountains. So we have to go together because the shuttle bus is only offer us one ticket. One ticket for all of us. Because I will tell them the numbers. There is a staff, you get on the coach and check the numbers of the bus. And then they will say, they will write me papers. And then I will go to the entrance to get the tickets for the shuttle bus. So, and only one ticket for us. So please go together. Go with Ling Ling. Firstly, go all the time with Ling Ling. Because after we take the shuttle, when we ride the shuttle brings us up to the mountains, and then we will have another entrance. I will give you the ticket. It's the IC car. It's a IC car, like Octopus. And this kind of car is for the entrance ticket, for the grass bridge ticket. And then when we will need to take walk, because it's a hiking. And then when we see the beautiful waterfall, and then they have stairs, and also they have escalator, and all the way follow the groups. So that what I mean is, go with Ling Ling. Everywhere I will give you instructions. Say, here, Maganda, I will give you a little time picture taking. And then, but remember, when I say here 10 minutes, it's 10 minutes. Yeah, because some people, when you see the beautiful sceneries, you become crazy. And then 1,000 posts in one place. Just walk a little 5-10 meters again, another 1,000 photos. And then when you turn around your face, where's your group members? Everyone gone. And the one, everyone just go ahead and waiting for you there. And then the other ones will be not happy anymore. Remember, this is a group activities. And then remember, all the time, just have a look. Besides you, nearby you, is there any group members with the Maganda purple ID? If you can't find anyone with the purple ID, that means your group already go ahead. Just don't left behind too long. You have to quickly catch up the groups. Because on the way, Ling Ling, I have to take care for you for the taking pictures, because you are included for the take photos on the God's hand. The God's hand, Maganda there, right? Yeah. And then I need to remind you again, you need to from now you think about that. What type of pose you are going to make? just don't considering when you on the hand, and then take too much time, and the others just bila waiting for you. Okay, you just go inside, take 2 shots, and then I'll go down. Next one, please, yeah, save your time. And now you are thinking, what Maganda pose you are making, and then ready for the pose. Because remember, go with me, because I'm the one need to pay for you the God's hands, the ticket together. because I will do the counting. I will ask the staff there, say, oh, how many of my groups see the purple ID, and then they will say, how many, and then they will you go, So if you left behind, you go so slowly behind, I can't find you, and then it's wasting time for the others because they are waiting for you, So remember, firstly, we will go together, and one more thing, it's only one way. Because when we go up to the shuttle bus, bring us to the mountains, up to the mountains, and then we will go down, and then go inside the entrance and out hiking, and then escalator. Then after we finish, because we have two glass bridge. One is the long glass bridge. The beautiful one is 1.3 kilometers long. Wow, Maganda. Is there any one of you fear of height? We teach you a very effective way. Just raise your head. Just raise your head. Oh, there is a bird. A bird. Congratulations, you're already the other side. Or you ask someone carry you, run. That is the first bridge, the long one. And another one, another one is the U, the one looks like a letter U, the one looks like, they say it's a UFO, UFO glass bridge. But the driver told me, no, that is the badminton, the racket, like that. So, and that is also is the last, I think it's the last, because it's on the top already, And after we finish everything, we will go down, one way only, remember, don't return, Go one way, go with Ling Ling, Just catch up with us, because it's wasting time for us to go back to look for you. Just one way, and then finish, and then we will go down from another side. Then we back to the shuttle bus station. Just the other side is the two shuttle, the one for up and down the hill. They are facing the other side, just opposite. So that's why when we finish everything, we go down. Then we assemble everyone. That's why we better organize our time, manage our time, listen to our instruction, and then we ride the shuttle bus, go down, and then we back to the parking lot, look for the drivers, and then another 2.5 hours. So that's why, So today, how to say, because we are already last group, just be quick. And then it's the same, we use the same bus today. Other things, if you don't like to bring with you, it's okay to leave here. Then just bring a t-shirt, and then bring your water. And if some of you want to, on the way, you like to buy some drinks, we can help you, because they only accept Chinese yuan there. Okay.
Okay guys, sabi ng aming tour guide na si Ling Ling, malapit na daw kami sa Shenzhen Safari Park. So ayan na guys, konting ano na lang, na sa Shenzhen Park na kami guys, kung saan kami iikot sa aming kuha na visa. Kasi pag nag-apply po kasi guys, kailangan alamin mo kung saan yung destination mo. So nandito kami ngayon sa Shenzhen Safari Park, and then sa waterfalls sa Buddha's Hand yung aming pupuntahan. So guys, salamat na naway nagustuhan nyo yung aking video, na makita nyo yung China kung hindi pa naman kayo nakapunta rito. Tulad ko, first time ko po ditong pumunta. So ito guys, yun nakikita nyo guys, ang ganda din ng kanilang lugar. So ayan na, dito na kami guys sa gate ng Shenzhen Safari Park. Ayan na guys, so papasok na kami. Super cute, diba guys? Ayan ang may picture na waterfalls. Ayan, so diba? So guys, naway nagustuhan ninyo ang ating vlog. Thank you for watching. Ito guys, super ganda na. Subscribe nyo po yung aking YouTube channel. Ayan guys, diba? Maraming kutsi guys, dahil marami ditong nag-tour. Dahil ngayon is statutory holiday. Ayan guys, First time po namin dito nag-tour ng aking mga kasama.
Maganda talaga. Wow. Oh, mas maganda dito. It's a hotel. No, this is the entrance, but you see the building upper is the hotel, huh? Hulong Hotel. Huh? Okay, just don't. I know. Maybe you like to go picture taking. I will give you a little free time picture.
Okay guys, dito na tayo ngayon sa Shenzhen Safari Park. Ayan guys, so nagpipicturean na kami para souvenir daw namin. After that, mayroon po kaming picture na grupo para souvenir namin bawat isa sa amin. So ayan guys, thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Para sa aking pagbalik sa Pilipinas ay tutulong po tayo sa mga kababayan nating deserving, lalo na po sa mga kababayan nating mga senior na wala na pong mag-alaga sa kanila. So ayan guys. Ayan guys ang aming grupo, di ba? Isa kaming galing agency, ang aming agency ay Cathy Agency. Ayan guys, yung mga kasama namin. Lahat po galing kami sa Hong Kong yan, isa kaming grupo. Pag ginugroup po kami kapag isa lang po ang aming agency pinanggalingan. Ayan, di ba? Busy sa kakapicture. Kaya kahit pa paano guys, ay may souvenir kami dito sa China. Kasi guys, hindi to biro, hindi po madali talaga mag-tour dito. Kasi by group talaga. Depende sa agency at sa oras sa araw namin, pero salamat kasi nagkaroon to ng grupo namin sa isa na nagkataon ng kaarawan ko ngayon guys. So diba, very talaga to, exciting kasi my special day, happy birthday to me. Diba guys, so thank you so much na I hope na enjoy nyo rin pong panoorin yung aking vlog kasi guys, of course first time po namin pumunta rito sa China at ngayon lang din namin nakita yung lugar ng China sa Shenzhen Safari Park. Ayan guys, hotel daw yan. Okay guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. I love you guys. And shout out sa lahat ng aking mga kababayan saan mang sulok ng mundo, especially sa Pilipinas. God bless and see you. Bye.